take my hands. Close your eyes. Now feel.
Come with me, and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Reach out, touch what was once just in your imagination. Don't be shy, it's alright if you feel a little trepidation. Sometimes these things don't need explanation. If you want to view paradise, simply look at them and view it. Somebody to hold on to, it's all we really need. Nothing else to it. Come with me, and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a look, and you'll see into your imagination. We'll begin with a spin, traveling in the world of my creation. What we'll see will defy explanation. If you want to view paradise, simply look around and view it. Anything you want to do it. Want to change the world, there's nothing to it. There is no life I know to compare with pure imagination. Living there, you'll be free if you truly wish to be.
아미 생일 축하해요. 생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 사랑하는 아미 생일 축하합니다. 사랑해. 감사합니다.
Hi, Mami Daniela. Birthday ni mo? Sure, birthday ni mo? Happy birthday. Love ko namin.
Happy birthday, Dan. I wish you more birthday to come, and I hope you will continue dreaming about Mutya ng Indangan. Because I am here and we are here for you. We're proud of you. And we... Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. To you. Happy birthday. To you. Happy birthday. Oh, happy birthday sa imo ha. Happy birthday man mo. So, happy birthday to you. Thank you. Happy New Year, Leche.
Hi lang. Happy birthday. Love to Kapermi. I love you.
Hi Dan, happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday. 18 na jud ka bayet. No, welcome to adulthood. Adulthood. Bito ay happy birthday. Sorry di ko kagta sa imong birthday. Kabila ba kanu nga hangul kay ko og bakasyon. So, ano para ba ako nag-ikon ko kakalamit, nag-ibakasyon. So, sorry. Mag-great lang sa ako kayo, no? Pasikat ba ako mga pagkataon nun. So, happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday. May this new chapter be filled with joy, adventure, and everything you dream of. Happy birthday, Daniela Charos. Naka-English ko dan. Ay ka. Ready na ko sa defense. Charot. Happy birthday. I love you. Mwah.
I would like to greet you a happy birthday and wish you on the right. Happy birthday, Daniela. I'm so rich. You want this? You for your birthday? Or this? Happy birthday and more birthday to come. God bless you. Alright. Yes.
Happy birthday, Daniela. Welcome to Legality. As far as I can remember, we were best friends when we were grade 5. And it was so solid. Our friendship was so solid na ma-remember na ko lahat. Lahat ng things that we did together, all of the campings, all of the chika that we had. I remember it all, and you were one of my best of friends na like kanang memorable kayo kong childhood because you were part of it. So you're this kind of woman na kanang perfect gani. You're smart, you're kind, you're faithful to God, and very, very beautiful, very dedicated to her studies, and just the perfect person that everyone should like tularan. Dapat tularan. So stay what you are. Stay perfect, and ang wish na ko sa mga kay magbisaya na ko dai kinahurot na kong English. So ang wish na ko sa mo dai kanang good health, and ta matupad tanan imuhang mga gipangandoy sa kinabuhi unya kanang happy birthday.
What's up, Daniela? Hey. Happy New Year. Ay, advance Happy New Year dahil kay 31 naman. Happy birthday day Dan. Thank you sa iyong pagkamayo, sa iyong dili pagkamayo, pagka-amigo. Joke lang. Negative positive is a good feedback. Oh yeah. Ang wish rin ako Dan is yung mga plano sa mga kinabuhi is yampo naman na kay Lord permi niya yung mga kung sa man yung gusto mga ma-achieve karon 2026 is makuha na nimo embrace ang mga negative ug positive mo labay ra na Dan na problema na si Lord permi dia ampo ta permi center na sa permi sa tuwa puro ay kalimot nga mag-inom juga matek joke right din. Happy pa lang, bad influence kita nga pagka-amigo bro. Asa, happy birthday Money ra ko dira, mga to hapon. Mora to, happy 18th birthday usab and happy new year. Oh yeah.
Happy birthday, Dan! Love, joy, hope! Happy New Year!
Hi Dan, happy birthday. Enjoy your day and more blessings to come, more birthdays to come, and enjoy. Love you.
So, happy birthday Daniela. Sorry kay medyo saba jud ka dari ang lapita. So, happy birthday and happy new year. It's your 18th birthday. Pwede na ka makulong. Alang. Wish na ko sa imuha good health. Kapag pagsamot. Dapat karon nga year mas magwapa pa kag samot para mas lami. Mo lang. Happy birthday. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Dani. Happy birthday, Dan. I love you.
Happy birthday, Dan!